Alright, so we got a Avenger 85 here. We're going to fix a leaking head gasket. Yeah, there's some scratches in it. And just a regular finish. You could see all the oil that leaked through it. Alright. So, let's move that out of the way. So yeah, there's some nicks in this. And this isn't even a machine surface, it's straight cast. Like, pits everything in it. Alright, so we're gonna fix that today. Alright, so I got some 400 grit sandpaper now. We're gonna take our head. I'm gonna wet it down pretty good. Straight, easy strokes. And that looks pretty good for this grade. Alright, next we're going to take this. Alright, let's wipe this thing. Alright, so we got pretty good. There's a couple of really deep ones in this. Gonna try and get that down just a little more. See where we're at. Alright. So we do got one pretty good imperfection in this casting. Will it seal over it? Probably. There's another nick there and there. I'll try just a little more to get that out. So those are in pretty deep, but there should be enough surface around them to seal. But I'd have to take off quite a bit. I think we can get that last little bit out though. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty good. That'll work. Let's get that cleaned up. Alright. So we got that other imperfection out for the most part. Right there is a deep, deep divot. So we're not going to worry about that. Everything should seal. Alright. Make sure our surface is nice and clean. You don't want no debris on your glass. Alright. New piece of paper. Just some 600. We'll start with this head. Alright, that looks good. Alright, so for the most part, that'll be a pretty good mating surface. You don't have to get every single detail out. And you don't want to go too crazy because you'll change the height. So, alright. Alright, that is definitely passable. Do have that little ding there, but it isn't going to affect anything. So let's get this put back on now. Alright. We are going to set that to 10 foot-pounds. Now, you can snug these up by hand, but this is the correct way. Okay. You do corner to corner. This part I like to put it on its side. We will change this up. We are now at 14. Go to the bottom. Alright. Yeah, we will just check these all. That's it. So you tighten these all down 10 and then 14. And that's it. Now we have a sealed top end. Should be perfect all the way around now.